the way out, driving down the left side of the lane. Asa Jackson stops and pops from 14, and good. Asa Jackson puts the pride on the board first. It's 2-0 press. Luciano drives, kicks out. Annie Payton, three-point attempt on the way. Swish. Annie Payton off the, working around the screen, and tries to lay one up, but she's blocked by Alo Ediferoka. And Jasmine Carter for Hofstra. Annie Payton Rusarilla as a pullback jumper from 3 is no good from Fry. She gets her own rebound, kicks it underneath to Jasmine Carter, off glass and in. Second chance efforts work on. This team is very good on the offensive glass. They average 17 per game. A deep three-pointer from the right wing. Swish. Back-to-back deep threes from the right wing. Alyssa Fry connects. CMC of the College of Charleston. Here's Alexis Carter. Kicks out near side. Onmanyuku puts a three-pointer on the way. Swish. Onmanyuku from the near corner. Far side. Asa Jackson dribbling. Picks up her dribble, goes underneath, and off glass and in. Hofstra coming right back with a 5-0 run of their own. They're only down by now 1 point. Alexis Carter swings all the way out. Sydney Epps far side. Three-point attempt from Onmanyuku. Swish. Another three-pointer from AO. And between the circles, under 10 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds. She pulls back for a jumper herself. Swish. Jill Brown, guarded on hard by Denise Winter, driving the paint is Asa Jackson. Underhand shot goes. Beautiful athletic play from Asa Jackson. Transition. Drives the right side of the lane. Hands off to Rusaril, who puts it up off glass and in inside the paint. Beautiful vision from Asa Jackson.
Arms folded at that point.
A three-point attempt deep from Erin Hall misses. Second chance effort. Here's Tolbert, drives inside, puts it up off glass and in. A 10-0. Has not been good so far in this ball game, but taken back from Annie Payton, nobody to beat, puts it up with the right hand, she misses, Bolden's there, but second chance effort is good. So Annie Payton making, now Alyssa Fry guarded on by Annie Payton, she steps back. Now Brianna Bolden from a deep two-pointer is good. William and Mary wearing their pink jerseys now for the third straight game. To the inside now, jump stop from Alyssa Fry is good, and the foul. Now to Jazz Green, who also checked in. She stops the foul line, hands it off to Carter, puts it up the right hand in, good, and the foul. At the right side, a pass over to three-point attempt from Alexis Carter on the right wing, no good. Second chance effort from Onyuku, good, and the foul. The Hofstra bench is final from right to left on your radio dials. Kicks all the way out, near corner three, swish. Sydney Epps, her first three-pointer since safety with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Shades to her right, drives down the right side of the lane, beats her defenders up and in. Luciano's first bucket of this. Jazz Green works around the perimeter, passes the foul line is Carter, shoots it and hits it. 63-53. She's been the leading scorer 10 times this season. As a turnover going the other way, Annie Payton bounce pass to Gilchrist. The first time she did not have multiple assists in a ball game. She has multi-assists this time. Here's Jazz Green, a jumper from 17 feet. Nothing but net. It's 75 seconds on the shot clock. Jill Brown has to take a jumper from 17 feet, and it sinks it. It's 80-62. So 87-74 is your final score.